everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have Miss Charlotte finally taken a nap, but what I'm here to do is share with you guys my weekly cleaning video. Was it week 29, and this is the week that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and it is cleaning my toys. I have a plan. I have a friend coming over tomorrow, so I want to get everything set up so for the first thing she gets here, she's going to help me. So what I'm going to do is start setting up in the basement. I have bins, I have totes, I'm going to get labels started, and what we're going to do is just start throwing the toys of each category in a bin, and then as it's in the bin, then I can slowly say, hey, do we want to keep this or not? So what I'm going to do right now is start getting the bin set up. I'm going to write some pieces of paper saying what's what on them, so we can figure that out. But I am so excited for you guys. I'm so excited this week, you guys. Like, a lot of you guys were giving me your opinions here and your opinions there, what to do with toys. I feel like I just been so far behind, and Ben's just been a pain in my butt with toys. But I feel like now when it's going to be finally organized, he cannot take one toy out until he puts the other one away. I just feel like it'll go a lot more smoother. I'll be less stressed. Grandma will be a lot stressed. Our house will be a lot less messier. And I plan on getting rid of some toys, and I'll pack some stuff up too. But as Charlotte gets older, I'm definitely going to get rid of more toys. It's just, I really wanted to have kids closer in age, but you know, it took me 3 years to get pregnant, so that is why I have so many toys, because we pretty much given up, and then we're like, okay, now we're pregnant again, so now I can't get rid of them. But so what I'm gonna do is take you guys to the basement and show you guys what I'm gonna start, and we'll go from there. Okay, you guys, so I've been at it for about 30 minutes, maybe even longer, but I am really super surprised on how well organized I am. So I have like the whole couch all ready to go. I have everything labeled. I'm starting to gather all the toys. I still have a couple more things to grab from Ben's room. I gotta grab toys from the living room, and then I have to see if there's any more toys in this room. So I'm gonna have Graham help me when he gets home. But let me show you guys the progress that I've done so far. I feel like doing it this way is really going to keep me organized. Once we get those bookshelves down here, because we're going to put one right here, we're going to put one another there, I think we'll really have it organized. I have a kitchen that I have that I'm actually going to get rid of, but once I get all the accessories to it, I can get rid of that. So this is what I got going on so far. These are the boxes of toys and everything that I have. I'm still going through stuff, but I kind of am just grabbing things here and there, but I'm kind of starting to label everything. So I got a box for stuffed animals, a box for Duplos and Mega Blocks, tiny little toys like Ben's into Shopkins and Mighty Beans and Smashers, so I'm throwing everything in here. Action figures, I got like tiny little small balls like marbles, or not marbles, but like bouncy balls and all that crap. Vehicles, like he's got different types of cars. Here we got the food and kitchen. Any puzzles or game pieces, we're going to have a little tote for baby toys. Ben's got some wood tracks that I'm going to put in here. He does have his own drawer in his room, but I'm just going to put them in here, and then once we get them all gathered, then I'll put that in a box. Here's like all the Happy Meal toys and stuff. I'm going to get rid of a lot of stuff that's in this box when we do go through it, but I just have its own box. Here we got some Hot Wheels, so all the Hot Wheels tracks and all that stuff. Anything Thomas related, so he has Thomas minis, he also has some like regular Thomas stuff. We're going to put it all in there. And then we got Little People, so any of the Little People stuff. And then I also started making labels for stuff that I don't have room for boxes. So we got stuff for a marble run. He's got a couple marble runs. Waffle blocks, I already have a tote already full of stuff, but I need to get a bigger tote because the tote that we have is already small. Here I got things for like one of a kind. I don't know about that. Disney crap. I have so much Disney crap, it's ridiculous. So that is what I've gotten done so far. I think for me, just working on this for just a little bit, I think I got a lot of stuff. Like I said, my friend, she is like super on top of helping me. So I just sent her a picture of how I'm preparing everything, so she's gonna be like super shocked because we're gonna get done. We have like 3 hours tomorrow to get this done, but so far I think I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I gotta make another box for Legos and stuff. But other than that, I am on a roll. So I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing. I'm actually going to probably, you know what, I'm actually going to stop and get something to eat. I think I did so much. I did super great all of a sudden now. I think I'm just going to take a break, just start bringing more stuff downstairs, but otherwise I think I did good. So now it's time for me to go take an eating break. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday and we did organize like crazy. My friend came over and she only had like 2 hours to help me, but we had Benjamin helping me. He was so excited to help me, and then we just kind of ran out of time and I was getting overwhelmed because she's like, where should I put this? Where should I put that? Where should I put this? And it was fine. I wasn't like, I'm not complaining, but it's like we did do pretty good job. So right now the kids are both taking a nap. Yes, so I am not really cleaning. I'm just kind of picking up the house right now, just every day picking up. But while I was picking up, I was thinking, you know, the house cleaning thing is good. You guys are loving this. You guys are getting motivation. But what I was thinking, and let me know if you guys feel this way, is I'm going to pick some goals. So once a month, I am going to have a goal of doing something like major in the house. And I'm going to try to have that done by the end of the month. I feel like with me trying to get it done on a weekly basis, it's a little too overwhelming with me. And I just got myself a planner, you guys. Like, I know I'm a dork, but I'm excited I got a planner because with me working, taking the kids places, Ben starting school, between doctor's appointments and dentist appointments and just stuff in general, I need to write everything down. So I got myself a planner. I got a really good one at Hobby Lobby that I really liked. Those things are expensive. They want like 30-40 bucks for it. So I found one that I really liked that's perfect for me. That was like 15 bucks. But I'm going to kind of start setting myself goals between myself at the house, because Graham and I talked about me working. I'm only going to work maybe once or twice a week, you guys. Like, that's a big thing for me because I felt like the days I did work, I was just exhausted. And now my furnace turned on, but I was just exhausted. And now, you know, I'm really getting into getting things done around the house. You know, Benjamin will be at school soon. Graham will be at work. Charlotte, you know, is my little princess. But I am just going to start doing goals. And one goal is I'm going to pick something majorly in the house and get that finished for the whole month, okay? So my month for July is still not finished yet, but we're going to go continue it into August because my friend's going to come over next week and help me finish it. But my goal for August, you guys, is cleaning the toys. So it's not just the toys, it's this whole section right here. So I want to get this all cleaned up for the month of August, and then we'll clean this up like September and October, you guys. So what do you guys think about that? You know, I'm not going to truly do it in every single one of my videos, but I'm going to show you guys the progress in each of my in each video. So for August, I'm going to pretty much get this completely cleaned out and show you guys as I clean it through the week, okay? And then I'll do other, you know, other cleaning stuff too, but this is the majority that I want to get done. And then I think for like September, I'm going to get this half of the room done. So I'm going to set like a month goal. I feel like me trying to get stuff done week by week is a little too much. But I'm going to do that, and you guys are going to help me, you're going to help me get motivated. I'm putting it in my planner. I'm going to start figuring out what I want to do. So I'm going to try to figure out some goals for August, September, October, November, December. So I'm just going to give myself 5 months of goals. But like I said, this whole section is for the month of August. And it is a mess, you guys, and I'll go through that with you, what we did so far. But let me know what you guys think for that. But yeah, I'm just, you know, I'm trying to really get rid of things, certain things. There's certain things that I still buy, and I can buy that, but there's certain things where I'm like, that storage room is ridiculous. So that's going to be another goal. Another goal, you guys, okay? But let me show you guys what we did so far. So all the boxes that were right here, we did go through it. I did bring the toy box that was upstairs. We never finished it, but I'm going to continue bringing more crap, and I'm just going to either put it away or just throw it in here. But I think we did get a lot accomplished. We're going to IKEA tomorrow after I get done with work, and I'm going to buy a bookshelf. Graham said just to buy one for now, which I am totally fine with. One for now. We'll see. And and then we'll just see where it brings us. But some of these toys are going in the kids' room, so we got that. But did fill up all the little people. The Thomas stuff's getting filled up. The Hot Wheels is overflowing, so I'm gonna grab and put all the Hot Wheels stuff in a tote, so then when we, you know, put it away, he can grab the whole tote out, and then when he's done playing with it, he puts it back all in the tote. These are a lot of McDonald's toys. I'm getting rid of about half of these toys, so there's that. The wooden tracks, we do have a drawer that is in his room that I'm just going to put all the wooden tracks in. These are all the baby toys. There's some stuff that I might get rid of. Some stuff that I'm just going to get rid of and donate just because, like, I don't feel like Miss Charlotte needs it all. Here is all a bunch of puzzle pieces and game pieces. So I need to start going through this, but I will do that once we gather all the toys up. We got a lot of kitchen things. I'm going to put, again, another tote just full of kitchen stuff so he can grab it out whenever he wants to. These are vehicles. They're probably going to get all combined with his Hot Wheels. But, I mean, he has a freaking car with no tires on it, you guys. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm going to just throw that away. But my garbage can is closed right now. I can't do it with one hand. The balls, I'm going to try to get rid of some of these balls. We got action figures in here. I'm going to try to go through this and get rid of stuff. And then here he likes, you know, he likes to, I used to collect Vinylmation. We got Tsum in here. We got Shopkins. We got little tiny little things. I'm going to actually go through all this stuff and I'm going to bag it up. I'm going to bag them all up so he can still have them. But I'm just going to bag them up. So if he digs it out, he's got to put everything back in the bag. That's why I like those big Ziploc baggies. We got the Duplos and the Mega Blocks all in here. I'm just going to continue keeping this in a tote. There's still more throughout the house. So we'll still continue going through that. Here's some stuffed animals and other sorts of toys. I'm going to probably get rid of most of that stuff. Like, he's still into the Toy Story. I'll still keep the Toy Story, but, like, Cookie Monster, we can get rid of. Like, this little bear, I'm going to get rid of. So, there's that. This tote we never even finished. I got some wooden blocks picked up. So, we're going to put those in a box. And then this is just random stuff, which I am going to throw some of that stuff away. I accumulated a lot of socks and hats and all that stuff. This is a Magic Tracks. I'm going to probably put it in one of those fabric bins once everything's all organized. And then these are all the Magnetiles. And then more Play-Doh stuff, which we have the tote upstairs. So, and then we did find a box, or we did get a bunch of stuff, of books, which I got to organize those. And then this is just random crap, which I'm going to go through and throw. And then this is stuff that I started making a donate pile, which we're going to do a better job with that. But I feel like we did get a lot accomplished. So my goal for the end of August is to get all the toys organized, get that bookshelf built, and have it nicely set up, ready to go. Put the toys in the kids' rooms and have everything all bagged up. So you guys will see me through the month of August working on my toys, so maybe you guys can get, you know, motivation for that. But yeah, I've had it with the toys, and I feel like if they're organized and then when they're put away, Ben, you know, before Ben goes to bed, we're like, hey, put some toys away. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. So, working on it, but, you know, it just takes time. Ben's used to being spoiled. He's used to being the only child, and now I've had it. So, there is that. But, yeah, yeah, I don't even know what else to say to you guys, but I'm just kind of cleaning around. But this place is a disaster. It is a disaster, I know, and I need to keep up on it, but I will keep on it once, you know, once everything is picked up. Once everything is ready to go, let me know. But what do you guys think I should do for the month of September? So the August goal is all the toys and that whole section cleaned up. That's including like that pile of crap right there. Just everything all picked up. These are toys, but I think for September's goal, I think is to get rid of all this stuff. I'm just going to get rid of it, clean it up. We are going to get rid of that kitchen. So, let me know what you guys think for that. My video section is an ongoing thing, but we are going to have probably another garage sale in the beginning of fall. So, yeah. But other than that, sorry for being a short video. I just wanted to show you guys my progress on the toys. But I'm pretty excited. We're going to get it more cleaned up, more organized, and then I'm also going to organize the storage room. That's another thing I want to do. My bathroom's another thing I'm going to do. Yeah, so I have goals, you guys. I'm going to, actually, when I get done with this video, I'm going to write down my goals for my videos for that. But I'm also working on pictures. You know, I should just make a video just of goals that I want to do for the whole month. But I'm also working on baby photos for Ben's baby book and Charlotte's baby book. I feel like I am so far behind on that. So I also got some stuff that I'm working on there. So I can show you guys my progress as I'm working on that. But yeah, I'm just sick of being lazy. I feel like with me not working, I have more motivation. I have more motivation to show you guys more videos, because I do want to make YouTube my full-time job. I really do. So I'm going to end the video the way it is here so you guys can see my progress. Hopefully you guys can see a huge difference next week. I think she's coming over Thursday, and then we'll have 3 kids helping us. So, but other than that, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Thank you guys for watching my weekly cleaning video. It does. Okay, you guys, so I have no idea where I left off because my camera died while I was talking. But yes, I just want to say thank you guys, you know, for motivating me, and I'm ready to get stuff done. I'm happy to get things done, and you guys are getting motivation, and you guys just like it. You guys like it that I'm being real. You know, I like to show that I'm a real person. I know there's a lot of people on YouTube that put on a face while they're on camera, and then, like, you know, behind closed doors, they're just like your average person. So I don't know, but I've just had it. One of Ben's toys broke, and I gotta fix it because I really like that toy. But other than that, let's get cleaning, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully the shelf is built and stuff is organized. But yes, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and thank you guys for watching. Until next week, see you guys later. Bye-bye.